tell me that you understand it. Don't tell me that I'm too demanding. I need you to show me you're taking this too slowly. Don't tell me that you're what I need, no. I believe that when I see so. Time for you to show me. Hush your lips, stop your
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sunshine, and this is episode 7, I believe, of the Freightliner Classic XL. Today I just wanted to give you guys a quick shot of, look at that spider messing up my scene. But look, today I sprayed the frame. As you guys can see, it is spider webs all over the place. They're coming so fast and they're making webs. But I sprayed the frame, I sprayed my staircase, as well as part of my brackets, and I just wanted to show y'all how it was looking. I didn't do the interior side. Let me give y'all a quick little walk around. I also installed my Grand General mud flap brackets hangers, and I got the brake lights installed. The only thing I gotta do is install my reflectors, which one of them is broken, so I have to fix one and put my mud flaps on there. But I wanted to give y'all a clean shot with just the brackets because my mud flaps are my old ones and I have to power wash them. And this is what we looking at. I got the brake lights back working, and I got mainly the outside. I just sprayed it down with some Rust-Oleum. You're gonna see a little bit of, it does have a little bit of runs in certain spots, which I might fix that later because it's on the side wall. But that was the only main spot that had like extreme runs in it, because I was running out of paint again, but I can fix it. But this is how we looking. Also, if you guys ever paint your clamps and you get a little bit of paint on the tank, all you got to do is take some oven cleaner and spray it on there, and it wipes right off. So if you use Rust-Oleum, it comes right off, because I had way more spray on the other side, and I can show you guys it came off. I just got to buy some more tanks. This is a handprint from my father-in-law. He was checking it out and couldn't touch it, so just had to touch it, but it's okay. Handprints, a lot of people can't keep their hands off the Classic XL, and I understand. So I got the fifth wheel and most of the components, and I did a little bit of the differential, but most importantly I got the back outside, and the brake lights is coming together, you guys. I'm gonna now take these mud flaps in the house because it's starting to get a little bit late. I haven't unwrapped my staircase yet, but I will tomorrow once the paint dries, and I will take these mud flap things in the house so that I can get the flaps off and I can do the rest of my work inside. But that's all I wanted to show y'all. And you know, the last video I got these. I'm having a bit of a trouble getting these bolts off right here, which is getting on my freaking nerves, but I'll figure something out. And I didn't do any interior work, so that's what I'm gonna leave this video with. And stay tuned, you guys.